Hey guys, I'm Jess Reeves. I am the agriculture teacher at Hoxie Junior Senior High School. I teach grades 7 through 12, all sorts of subjects ranging from animal science, horticulture, ag explorations, hunter safety, welding, etc. That's my category. I'm also the FFA advisor here at Hoxie. We are pretty lucky. We have about 68 kids in FFA and we have roughly 100 in our high school, so that's pretty cool. Um, don't mind me, I'm a little exhausted. We just got back from a week-long National FFA convention trip, which was awesome. We had seventh row Garth Brooks seats, and I jammed out, and my kids looked at me like, oh, she's crazy. And then we also were able to see President Trump speak and address national convention, so that was a really cool opportunity. So we come from a very supportive community that helped us be able to do that, which was an awesome experience. Um, I am pursuing my master's in educational administration. And my technology strengths and weaknesses, I love finding new technology and hearing about new technology, especially within agriculture, like how we're using drones in ag or how we're able to use chips on cattle to keep track of when they get vaccinated, things like that. I think is awesome, and I love talking to my kids about it. Um, my weakness would come as implementing it more in our assignments. Um, Digital tools that I have access to, I have a Mimeo board that I use quite a bit, especially when we're presenting or showing projects, things like that. Um, we have in our greenhouse, we have a monitoring system that controls everything, and it's kind of cool to show the kids how it tracks everything. Um, the kids are one-to-one with laptops in the high school, and then grades 7 and 8 have access to Chromebooks. One-to-one, they just stay in the core teacher's classroom. So like if they need to borrow it for a project in my class, they can walk over to the teacher across the hall and borrow it for the hour, and then if they just have to put it back and they stayed locked up. So we have access to technology. My Google Apps for Education, we use docs, slides, all your basic stuff. I really like using slides for group presentations, so I can tell my kids in my horticulture class, okay, you have this, you have broccoli, you have tomatoes. We're going to create a big uh, conglomerate of slides that kind of show the needs of those plants before we plant them, which is kind of cool. Um, I've played with Google Classroom. I haven't implemented it. I'm still running old school with that. I have the kids use their computers for their projects, individual projects, and then print it off and put them in their binders that they keep in class. So that's kind of where I am technology-wise. I'm excited to learn more in this course. Thanks.